How to download and install Spotify in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install Spotify in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up any web browser, and after you open up a web browser, you'll need to search for Spotify. So search for Spotify, you can directly search for Spotify download as well. And after you do that, you'll get your Spotify's download link. So you can open that up. After you open this up, you'll see the download button. Now all you have to do is press on the download button and the download should begin anytime. So after you open up, after you simply, go through with the link, it will simply download Spotify and it should start opening up. Now that's the first way to download Spotify. The next way is you can head over to your Microsoft Store. So let's head over to our Microsoft Store. After your, okay, my bad, I'll just open up a Microsoft Store again. And after you open up a Microsoft Store, you can search for Spotify here as well. So let's search for Spotify. And there we go, there is the app. And after you find Spotify, simply tap on install and you can use it. And that's basically it. That's how simple it is. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.